Well, hello and welcome back to Northern Coins in the series A Brief History of, and today we'll be taking a look at this coin. It is the £2 Florence Nightingale and it was minted in 2010 and it has a mintage figure of 6,175,000. And also as well, what I'm going to add as well is the silver-proof Piedfort and gold coins as well from the Royal Mint. There was 20,000 minted, but only 5,117 were actually bought. The Piedfort, there was 3,500 minted, but only 2,770 bought. And gold coins, there was 1,000 minted, and 472 of them were minted as well. And as you can see, this coin depicts helping hands. The edge inscription states 150 years of nursing, and it's named after and Florence Nightingale is named after the Italian city in which she was born in 1820. She is famous for her work in the military hospital during the Crimean War, which took place from October 1853 to March 1856. She laid the foundation of professional nursing with the establishment of her nursing school at St Thomas's Hospital. And some of you may not know about the Crimean War, but there was there was nearly 750,000 soldiers died. And there was four main countries that took part: Great Britain, France, Turkey or the Ottoman Empire, and Russia. It basically was to stop the Russians expanding down into the Mediterranean. And like I said, 750,000 soldiers died on both sides. Britain lost a total of 40,462, of which 2,755 were killed in action. 1,847 died of their wounds on the battlefield, but once they were taken back to the hospitals, most of them died of either the wounds or disease. 17,580 died of disease, and 18,000 died of their wounds in the hospitals. Several famous battles took place. One was for Sebastopol, but one of the main battles was the charge of the Light Brigade. This is where 670 soldiers rode into battle, of which 110 were killed, 160 were wounded, and 375 horses died. And if you can indulge me, there was a famous poem. I'm not going to read all of it out because it's got about 6 or 7 verses. But The Charter of Light Brigade by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Half a league away, half a league onwards, all in the valley of death, rode the 600. Forward the Light Brigade, charge for the guns, he said. Into the valley of death rode the 600. And that's the first verse. And I'll read the last 2 verses for you as well. Cannon to the right of them, cannon to the left of them, cannon behind them, volleyed and thundered, stormed at with shot and shell, while horse and hero fell, that they had fought so well, came through the jaws of death, back from the mouth of hell. All that was left of them, left of the 600. When can their glory fade? Oh, the wild charge they made. All the world wondered. Honour the Light Brigade, the noble 600. So if you're enjoying this series, please like, subscribe if you haven't already, but please leave a comment. Thank you.